In this video, we're heading back to Key West, y'all. 5 days, 4 nights, me and Jen. Let's do it. If you ever drive to Key West, you gotta stop at Robbie's. It's about a third of the way down of the Florida Keys in the city of Islamorada. Have lunch or dinner at the Hungry Tarpon, and then you can feed the tarpon, or just watch like we did. All right, let's move on to the lower Keys, shall we? I took some time to fly the drone over the Bahia Honda rail bridge. It was originally part of the Overseas Railway. The state of Florida purchased it after the 1935 Labor Day hurricane. It was converted for automobile use as part of the Overseas Highway in 1938. It was replaced with a new bridge in 1972. Two spans of this old bridge were removed for the safety of boat traffic and to prevent pedestrian access to unsafe parts of the bridge. This is probably one of the most beautiful sights as you drive through the Keys. It's been a long day. We're checked into our tiny home at Boyd's Key West Campground, and now it's time for a golf cart ride to dinner.
Beautiful sunset view.
Live lobster. Holy moly.
There's a few.
Those are some decent sized bugs too. Yeah, this one's sticking out of the water a little bit here. All right, this is our first time here. It's probably a 3-minute golf cart ride from Boyd's Key West Campground. Just a cool place. And that's it from the outside. Well, that was amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Great recommendation from Boyd's. Sean at Boyd's.
Thank you, Sean at Boyd's, for the recommendation. It was fantastic, except I should not have gotten dessert. Because now
It was delicious.
I'm going to crash out. But since we are in Key West, we decided to take a stroll right down Duval Street in all the heart of the tourist area. We didn't make any stops or get out anywhere. We just wanted to see what was going on in downtown Key West. Chex Mix. One of the cool things, guys, about the type of work we do is we get to come to places like this and spend some time. We're filming a lot of stuff for Boyd's Key West Campground, but we're also having a good time and exploring. So look at this view, though. I mean, when you come to Boyd's, or when you travel in general, you know, you get to go and see different stuff like this. So I just really appreciate this opportunity to hang out with Jen, be out here, just spending time. I don't know if this is considered the country, but I was going to say spending time in God's country, and I think that's a fair assessment. Before we jump back in, I want to take a quick moment to thank today's sponsor, Ruco, for keeping us powered up out here in the field. When I'm away from power, this little thing right here keeps my whole setup running. The Ruco R299 portable power station packs a 288 watt-hour lithium battery into just 8 pounds. I use mine to keep my phone, laptop, drone batteries, and camera gear charged up when I'm away from outlets. With 9 ports plus a built-in flashlight with SOS mode, you can power almost anything. During hurricane season, it's good peace of mind knowing you've got backup power ready to go. You can charge it with a wall outlet or through your vehicle. If you want lightweight, reliable power wherever you go, check out the Ruco 299. I'll put a link in the description below. Now let's get back to the adventure. We decided on lunch at De Luna's Café, which is a food truck inside the campground. The owners, Steve and Christy, were super cool, and we tried the empanada, oxtail with plantains, and a Cuban sandwich. We were so impressed with this food, especially being able to walk to it right from our campsite. All right, y'all, we are in the Keys, so any opportunity to get out on the water is a blessing. We didn't have our boat with us on this trip, but our friends Sean and Sophie did, and they invited us along. We did get to spend some precious time at the sandbar, and the sky looked amazing from this angle, but behind us, storms were coming.
There is a thunderstorm warning today from Big Pine, Key to Key West until 2:45 p.m.
So you guys heard me talk about this Ruco power bank, but what happens when it runs out of power? That's where this bad boy comes in, the Ruco solar panel. Not only will it recharge your power station, but even if you didn't have this with you, you can charge your other devices directly. This solar panel is waterproof and easy to unfold. It even has built-in legs to help it stand at just the right angle in the sunlight. By plugging the built-in wire into the adapter that came with the kit, you can plug right into your Ruco power station. But what's pretty cool is this adapter comes with connections that makes your Ruco solar panel compatible with other popular brand power banks. The Ruco power station paired with their solar panel is awesome. But even if you just purchase the solar panel alone, you can still charge your devices. This expansion box is included in your solar panel kit. Here I am putting a full charge on my headlamp and one of my drone controllers. This solar panel paired with that expansion box just gives me great peace of mind. Now back to the video. So Jen says we are supposed to be going out to the store. I'm going up to the gift shop here to buy a new t-shirt because this is my last shirt, and we need to go to another store. We need some beer, ice, and a cigar. She's like, you ready? You ready? And I'm like, she's like, it's just barely raining. It's not going to last, but I think I'm going to wait a minute. Actually, if she looks up that way, you'll see blue skies. But here it's still raining. So I'm going to sit here and eat a Cliff Bar.
I don't know what he just said, but you're not going to melt in the rain, Rich. That's all I have. The rain is not stopping. Usually the motto in Florida is, if it's raining, wait a half hour. Sometimes 5 minutes. I give it a half hour, it'll go away. And it's been beautiful blue skies above us. But it's raining. Picked up a little more, I think. And you can barely see, but there's people up there under the roof waiting for it to stop. He's peeking out the door. Such a sissy.
I think I'm gonna try to get a t-shirt. So we were gonna do lobster back at camp. We were gonna grill. We brought all the stuff, stoves, pots, pans, all that. We even brought butter to melt, but we ended up getting a little bit of a rain delay. So we are at Hogfish, and I got the blackened hogfish sandwich. And what'd you get?
Cuban mix.
Cuban mix.
Heading back, guys. Heading back to camp.
Hey, good morning. We are checking out of our tiny house. That's the keys to our golf cart. I just put it right over there by the laundry room. It's all locked up.
Yep, safe travels. Get your free bumper sticker if you'd like. Did you get a sticker?
Awesome. No, I didn't, but I saw those. I didn't know they were free. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hey guys, stay at Boyd's. Get your free bumper sticker. If you're ever traveling in or out of the Keys and looking for a really cool place to eat, check out Lorelai's. This place is in Islamorada and is clearly no secret, but we'd never been there before. The food and service were both great, but the atmosphere was top notch. And with that, we're going to say goodbye. Or at least until next time. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and take care.